Baga mo. Hani baga pa ko. Explain mo. Slide and demo kano. Explain mo, man.
This kind of trap is called this a windrow.
Window.
No, actually this is called some kind of shit.
Bayawak trap.
The bayawak trap, in English monitor lizard, and we're going to eat the fucking food, a poison food. Like that. This is an actor. Yeah. The rope. Gotta put this over the tube. Yeah. And then the wild monitor lizard, we're gonna eat the poison food just like this. Okay. Just imagine this is the head and the body. And gonna put his head inside the tube. See what happened. See what gonna happen. Okay. Oh, we're gonna drop it.
It's very good. Galing ah. Survivor. Santiago.
Survivor. Okay. Actually, gonna put some stink food inside the tube. A poison one, the stomach of the chicken, just like that.
Kabal tayo YouTube ate, man. Demo.
Oh, actually, it's gonna set already. My name is Master Sergeant Gunnery Irvine Crawford.